Should you buy iPhone 8 Plus in 2024? I think this is the best, or not the best, but top three iPhone Apple ever released. Number one is affordability. By 2024, iPhone 8 Plus is like to be available at more budget-friendly price compared to newer iPhone model. If you're looking for an iPhone that offer good performance and feature without breaking the bank, the iPhone 8 Plus could be the sensible option. And number second reason is the design. It is still the best design ever. The classic design with the home button and touch ID. Some users still prefer over newer iPhone model with Face ID. Still sufficient performance for everyday use. Still a great phone for everyday use. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Its processor is good. Its camera is good. Don't need the most cutting edge technology and prioritize a smooth user experience for basic smartphones. iPhone 8 Plus could meet your needs in 2024.